Nagluluksa ngayon ang mundo ng show business sa pagpanaw nga ng producer at Regal Entertainment owner na si Mother Lily. Narito ang naging post ng Regal Entertainment tungkol sa pagpanaw ni Mother Lily. Lily U. Monteverde, August 19, 1939, August 4, 2024. Our mother Lily U. Monteverde ended her journey at 3:18 a.m. this morning, August 4, 2024, to join our Creator. Throughout her years, she has not only been a mother to her children, but also the mother to so many generations of Filipino filmmakers who have helped define what Philippine cinema is today. Even to her final years, Mother Lily has served as one of the cornerstones of the movie industry, providing opportunities to filmmakers, both creative and technical, to carve their names in our popular history. Yet behind this veneer of accomplishment, Mother Lily was not merely a matriarch and the face of Regal Films, but a true mother to artists and workers who had the chance to know her beyond the confines of work. Mother Lily was surrounded by her children and grandchildren in her final hours. She was blessed with a chance to say goodbye to her closest friends and associates who bid her farewell yesterday before she left for the trip back home to the divine Father. The family is at peace now that their mother has not only found rest, but has joined their father Remy in that place called eternity. As they were together in life, as they will remain together where there is no space or time. The Monteverde family are requesting for your prayers and to cherish the memory of Mother Lily not only as a face of cinema, but as a loving mother who she truly was and will always be forever. The wake and memorial service will start August 5, Monday 3:30 p.m. until August 9 at 38 Valencia Events Place, Quezon City. The interment will be on August 10 at the Heritage Park, Taguig. Matatandaang pumanaw si Mother Lily 6 na araw lamang matapos ang pagkamatay ng kanyang asawang si Remy C. Siya ay 84 years old. Nag-iwan si Mother Lily ng isang kahangahang legacy sa Philippine cinema bilang longtime matriarch ng Regal Entertainment. Siya ang producer sa likod ng maraming blockbusters sa pelikula kabilang ang iconic na Mano Po anthology.